Millions of youth in the United States, including my younger brother, suffer from a mental or behavioral disorder. It is estimated that 40% of children will meet the criteria for an identified mental health condition by the age of 18.
So it can be really any age. It can be, a toddler and start dealing with mental issues. But most mental issues, I think, are really noticed more in like the preteen ages.
From my brother's experience with anger control and stress, I witnessed firsthand how the scarcity of mental health professionals and resources can worsen the progression of mental illness. Many families, like mine, could be deeply affected, and I want to use my technical knowledge to help find a solution. My name is Richard Fang, and I'm the creator of MindPaw, the new mindfulness, mental health, and virtual pet app for youth. Our generation has faced challenges in diagnosing mental illness and understanding emotional well-being, and mental health support should not be limited to a formal psychiatry setting. A new approach to mental health involves using mobile applications and artificial intelligence as a cost-effective and widely available support tool. MindPaw provides accessible user support through chatbot, journaling, and emotion recognition features backed by scientific research and machine learning. Users can write journal entries that are analyzed using a language model and log activities that are further processed in an activity model to understand how daily activities influence user well-being. The app's chatbot has access to this critical data to offer personalized, contextualized responses. We developed a sentiment analysis model trained on a dataset of 1.6 million tweets labeled as positive and negative to identify feelings in the user's journal entries. The data was pre-processed using tokenization, stop word removal, and vectorization. For deep learning models, we used word embeddings such as word2vec. Then we performed hyperparameter optimization with random search. The results are listed in the table as shown. Out of the 4 models, BERT has the highest test accuracy of 86.7%. Simulated user activity was used to train the activity model. After removing features with low correlation and performing hyperparameter optimization, we found that neural networks had the lowest mean squared error and R-squared score. By analyzing the coefficients of each feature, we found that exercise, journaling, and gratitude had a positive influence on mental health score, whereas higher levels of neuroticism, exams, and adverse weather conditions had a negative influence. However, the use of AI in mental health also comes with numerous challenges, most notably that chatbots can infer gender or ethnicity and show less empathy towards certain groups. That's why our chatbot feature was additionally trained using retrieval augmentation generation to avoid causing harm to our users. Let's see how MindPaw works. After logging in, you will see the Today page, where you can log your mood, gratitude, emotions, hobbies, and sleep. In the Journal page, you can write smart journals and record how you're feeling in the moment with the power of machine learning and natural language processing. You can view your journal scores, mood, and other data in the Me page. You can also complete tasks to earn currency. Lastly, the goal of MindPaw is to make mental health diversified and accessible for kids. You can view your friends and interact with your virtual pet by petting, feeding, or chatting, providing you with immediate comfort and rewards. MindPaw was built using Flutter, Android Studio, Xcode, and Firebase for the database. In addition, we trained our models using Python and Jupyter Notebook. The chatbot was built using OpenAI's API. An important part of mental illness diagnosis is recognizing changes in mental health early on. Unfortunately, not every child has access to a mental health practitioner. According to the American Academy of Child and Adolescent Psychiatry, the number of children with mental health issues far surpasses the number of child and adolescent psychiatrists. MindPaw helps bridge that resource gap and support youth on their journey to positive mental health. Thanks for watching.